People are feared to be trapped as the NDRF teams continue with their rescue operations. The latest that we are getting to know that 5 people have been booked for the incident. Shantashi will be joining us live with the latest update, as it is being said that the building was already under question and complaints have been filed, but due to negligence, this accident, this tragedy that was waiting to happen yesterday because of the incessant rainfall that the entire district has been receiving in the last few days, and around 7:50 p.m. last evening, when the 5-story building collapsed, it is being said that there were several people who were inside the building. A
team of NDRF actually had rushed from Pune. There was a green corridor that was made just for them to reach over here and start the operation. Even before NDRF team could reach, the local officials out here, along with the help of the local people, that is the residents, they started trying to take out as many people as possible. So we believe that more than 18 people are still trapped inside. This is the official figure, and around 2 people have been reported dead. The kind of rescue operations that is going on right now, you can see that this will take the entire day actually, because this is only partial part of the rumble that has been cleared, and dog squad is here, and sensors are also being used constantly. If anybody is trapped inside, to get them out. The entire debris are being removed and they are loaded in the trucks and they are being taken away. But this is a huge amount of debris. The kind of massive destruction that you can see over here, the third from the fourth, the third and the second floor completely coming down, and the ground floor remaining intact. But the most unfortunate development is this, that we are getting to know from the local people out here, is this, that the children and the old people, that is the aged people, are still trapped inside. And those people who were younger, who were quick on their foot, they could run outside their house premises, who are still under the debris, are being brought, so that the rescue operations, which had been continuing since yesterday night because of the heavy rainfall, also it has been a huge obstruction. It can be continued at a faster pace. So ambulance is on standby, the police personnel are there, the local administration along with the local support group and the 3 teams of NDRF are continuously trying to bring about those persons who are still missing and the family here, because at the end of the day there are many local residents who had already complained that this building had always been under suspicion, that any time it can come down, it can collapse, and the people's lives, which is around 40 to 45 families who were staying inside this building, are at risk. Yesterday we could see that while the they were shaking, the entire building was started to shake a little bit. Then the young people who were very quick on their foot, they could run away and easily save their lives. But it is the problem of the children and the old couple who were still stranded inside the building, and then the building is suddenly collapsed, and every one of them are actually under the debris right now, while more than 18 to 19 people have already been rescued from under the debris. Number of people who are still yet to be rescued and they are not yet found. So yes, this is the biggest task ahead of NDRF and also the local rescue team, that how to spot these people and take them out. Now the biggest question that is being asked over here by the local residents, and they are, as soon as they realize that the trembling has started and the building can come off can come down at any given point of time. So it is basically difficult for the children and the old people who were still inside. So there, as you can see over here, along with the rescue operation that is taking place, I can show you around the kind of number of local residents and the family members. They are waiting over here. Their unknown people are still trapped inside. Some of their family members are still trapped inside. So since yesterday around 7 o'clock onwards, since this unfortunate development took place, everybody is awaiting that their known people are rescued as soon as possible. So yes, maximum efforts are being made with all these JCBs, fire brigade and also ambulances being on standby, that if any injured personnel is rescued, they will be rushed immediately to the rural hospital that is in Mahar. Those people who are severely injured will be taken to Mumbai hospital, which is around 170 kilometers from here on, and those who had already been rescued since yesterday are being treated in the local rural hospital in Mahar. So, and also continuous visits from MLA and also the ministers